So, hello student, welcome to my channel IIT Forum Chemistry. Myself Partha Chaudhary. Today, the topic is the atomic model theory. Today, I'll discuss the history and the development of atomic theory. तो ये story start हुआ था around 2500 years ago with two great philosophers. One is Democritus and another one his teacher Leucippus. डेमोक्रिटस एटॉमिक थ्योरी बताने से पहले ही सेड दैट ही इमेजिन्ड ही पिक्चराइज्ड वन मॉडल लाइक हाउ ही सेड दैट इफ यू टेक अ ब्रेड okay, so let's draw. If you take a bread and if you cut it into two half, okay, if you cut it in two half and if you take this one half of this bread and cut it into another half, and if you do this thing again and again, you will reach at a point, at a certain point where you cannot cut it into two half. That what does that mean? That means this object, this is an object which is uncuttable. Okay, तो यही से स्टार्ट हुआ है एटॉमिक थ्योरी का मॉडल. तो उन्होंने बताया कि एक ऑब्जेक्ट ऐसा है जिसको आप कट नहीं कर सकते हो, विच इज़ अनकटेबल. तो ग्रीक में एक टर्मिनोलॉजी है जो है एटमस. तो उन्होंने डेमोक्रिटस ने इनका नाम दिया एटमस. ये एटमस का मीनिंग क्या है? इस एटमस के मीनिंग है अनकटेबल. क्या है इसके मीनिंग? अनकटेबल है. तो यही से एटॉमिक थ्योरी की कहानी स्टार्ट हुआ है. डेमोक्रिटस ऐसे भी सोचते थे कि आयरन के एटम कैसे होगा, सॉल्ट के एटम कैसे होंगे. तो ही सेड दैट बिकॉज आयरन इज हार्ड, तो इनका एटम भी हार्ड होगा. मतलब दो हुक से जुड़ा हुआ होगा, दो आयरन बॉल लाइक दिस टाइप के. ये एक हुक है और ये एक हुक है. डेमोक्रिटस ऐसे सोचते थे कि ये दो आयरन है, आयरन का एटम ऐसे दिखता है. ही सेड दैट एटम डिफर्ड इन साइज एंड शेप्स. He also said that the atom of salts is sharp. क्यों ये sharp क्यों है? उन्होंने क्योंकि salt is tasted sharp. That is why he said that कि salt के जो atom होगा वो भी sharp होगा. कैसे दिखता होगा उसका atom? डेमोक्रिटस ऐसे सोचते थे कि ऐसे दिखता होगा salt के atom. Okay. So लोग बिलीव नहीं करते थे डेमोक्रिटस और ल्यूकिपस की ये थ्योरी के ऊपर. क्यों? बिकॉज उस टाइम पे और एक पॉपुलर फिलोसोफर्स थे, उनके नाम थे एरिस्टोटल. एंड एरिस्टोटल ने बोले थे कि ये जो मैटर होता है ये एटम से बना नहीं होता है. ये एक्चुअली 5 थिंग्स, ही मेंशन्ड 5 थिंग्स दैट वन इज अर्थ, सेकेंड इज एयर, थर्ड इज फायर, फोर्थ इज वाटर एंड फिफ्थ इज ईथर. तो उन्होंने बोला कि इस 5 चीज़ों से ये दुनिया बना है. तो उस टाइम पे बिकॉज एरिस्टोटल वाज अ फेमस फिलोसोफर्स, सो पीपल बिलीव्ड मोर ऑन एरिस्टोटल एज कंपेयर टू डेमोक्रिटस एंड ल्यूकिपस. बट दे ऑल वेर फिलोसोफर्स, दे वर नॉट साइंटिस्ट. सो इन 1808 द ब्रिटिश साइंटिस्ट जिसका नाम है डाल्टन, आई थिंक यू ऑल आर अवेयर अबाउट दिस नेम, डाल्टन एटॉमिक थ्योरी, राइट. तो डाल्टन ने उस टाइम पे आए 1808 में एंड ही केम अप विथ हिज ओन थ्योरी. डाल्टन बोले कि चलो उसके पहले ड्रॉ करते डाल्टन के एटॉमिक थ्योरी के ऊपर. सो लेट्स इरेज दिस. हाँ, ओके. सो डाल्टन आए Dalton's atomic theory. So 1808. Okay, he said that, Dalton said that कि matter consists of a tiny particle called atom. क्या बोले? जो मैटर है वो एक टाइनी पार्टिकल से बना होता है जिसका नाम है एटम. He also said that, Dalton also said that ये जो टाइनी पार्टिकल होता है इनको अगर आप एक डेफिनेट कॉम्बिनेशन में अरेंज किए तो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कंपाउंड बनेगा. हाउ? He picturized atom like this, small tiny particle. Like this. So he picturized atom like this, and he said that, number one point, he said that matter consists of a small tiny particle called atom, and the second point was the matter, the atom, when you combine atom into different arrangement, into different combination, it will make a different compounds. Like this is black tiny particle, so this is one compound, and this compound make up two particles, one is blue, one is red, so that is the arrangement is different. So this compound is different as compared to this black particle. So that was Dalton's theory. So now then okay, another thing Dalton said that this tiny particle is indivisible, so you cannot break it. Okay, so that was the main point he mentioned in Dalton's theory, this indivisible and indestructible, this tiny particle. Then in around the late 18th, around 1904, a new scientist, you know, J.J. Thomson, he came up with his own theory, and his theory's name was plum pudding model. J.J. Thomson, who discovered electron also. Okay, so I think it's pretty clear about this Dalton atomic theory. This 2 or 3 things he said, and I mentioned all of this. Okay, now come to this another point, that is a new scientist J.J. Thomson. He came up with this theory. This theory's name is plum pudding model. Okay. Okay. So theory is plum pudding model, 1904. So what is said in plum pudding model, J.J. Thomson, by J.J. Thomson. Okay, J.J. Thomson said that no, atom is not indivisible, you can break it into 2 particles. Not 2 particles, he said that you can break it, and he described this by plum pudding model. So his model is look like this, one spherical pudding, and in between small electron are there. Okay, and all of this is positively charged. This red is positively charged. Okay, so this black is electron. So J.J. Thomson who discovered electron by this theory, plum pudding model, and he said that also this red one is positively charged pudding. Okay. Now what happened? That was J.J. Thomson theory. So I'll go to the details of each and every theory, every model, but today I just give you this rough idea about the how they began their story, how this atomic model journey started. Okay, so that was pretty much J.J. Thomson's story, J.J. Thomson's theory. Then in 1911, a famous scientist, Ernest Rutherford, in 1911, he gave his theory, and his theory's name was nuclear model theory. Okay, then आया Rutherford, Ernest Rutherford in 1911. Okay, his model name was nuclear model. Okay, so what is nuclear model? Nuclear model, he said that, Rutherford said that J.J. Thomson is not wrong. Yes, atom can be break down into parts, but what J.J. Thomson said that the positively charge is spread out through the model, through this circle, right? But Rutherford said that no, this positively charged particle concentrated at the middle, at the center of this circle. So that is why he proposed his theory, his atomic model. Okay, so let's draw this Rutherford atomic model, this nuclear model. Okay, तो वो कुछ ऐसा दिखता था रदरफोर्ड की मॉडल. This positive charge concentrated at the center of the circle, and electrons are moving around the nucleus. Okay, so that was pretty much Rutherford theory. Rutherford said that. So I think आप लोग लिंक कर पा रहे हो कि कैसे एक के बाद एक साइंटिस्ट आया एंड दे प्रपोज देयर थ्योरी अबाउट एटॉमिक मॉडल. So that was pretty much this Rutherford theory, but in 1913, it was 1911. Now in 1913, another famous scientist, his name I think you all are aware about this name, this Bohr atomic model, right? तो बोर ने बताया कि Rutherford, you are correct, but this electron cannot be move randomly throughout the nucleus. It should be follow some circular path, some orbit. Okay, so Bohr in 1913 came up with his theory. Okay, so let's discuss this Bohr atomic model. And you know why Rutherford's model is known as a nuclear model? Because the name is nucleus. Okay, this is another point you should write down. Okay, so in 1913 Bohr came up with his theory. His theory was Bohr atomic model. Bohr atomic model in 1913. He compared atomic model with the planet. He said that कि electron cannot move around the nucleus randomly. इनको एक पर्टिकुलर पाथ फॉलो करना चाहिए एंड ही नेम दिस पाथ ऑर्बिट. ओके, सो लेट्स ड्रॉ हिज थ्योरी, हिज मॉडल. Okay, so he picturized atomic model like this, like planet, like our planet, right? So he said that ki electron can move around the nucleus with this circular path, and his circular path is called orbit. He named it orbit. So that was good, राइट. सो अभी हम एटमिक मॉडल जब ड्रॉ करते हैं कि ये बोर के एटमिक मॉडल ड्रॉ करते हैं बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. बट इन 1920s द अभी तक का सबसे परफेक्ट मॉडल, द परफेक्ट एटमिक मॉडल इज नेम्ड क्वांटम मैकेनिकल मॉडल. ओके, दिस क्वांटम मैकेनिकल मॉडल proposed by a lot of physicists, but mainly the name is Erwin Schrödinger in 1920s. He came up with this theory and he said that no, not electron is not moving around this circular path. You cannot say electron's position, but yeah, it moving around the nucleus with randomly with a circular path, but not like this. Okay, it is just, it was hyperactive material, it buzzing around the nucleus, you know, just like a cloud is this cloud is moving around the nucleus. So let's discuss the Schrödinger atomic model, that's called this quantum mechanical model of atomic theory. Okay, in 1920s. Right, so model name is quantum mechanical model 1920s, right? And the name of the scientist is Erwin Schrödinger. He proposed this model. He said that nucleus will be at the center, but this electron is hyperactive motion is buzzing around the nucleus like this, like a cloud. Okay, and scientist यहाँ पे भी, यहाँ तक तो प्रिटी मच अब हमें पता है कि एटॉमिक मॉडल क्या है, बट यहाँ तक जो एटॉमिक मॉडल है यहाँ पे भी स्टॉप नहीं हुआ. साइंटिस्ट रिसर्च मोर एंड मोर ऑन इट. दे लर्न अ लॉट अबाउट एटॉमिक मॉडल. ओके, देन इन 1932 the scientist James Chadwick, he said that this nucleus can be divided into two subatomic particles. One is proton and another one is neutron. So proton discovered by this Rutherford in 1919 and this neutron discovered by James Chadwick in 1932. Okay, so they divided this nucleus into two parts. They said that nucleus make of these two particles, one is this two component, one is proton and another is neutron. Okay, proton discovered by Rutherford in 1919 and neutron discovered by James Chadwick in 1932. So they picturized, so all of this theory, they picturized a new atomic model. Let's draw that atomic model where nucleus is split out into proton and neutron, and the same this electron will be the same. They are buzzing, they are in hyperactive motion around this nucleus. Okay, so let's draw the updated model of this quantum mechanical model. It was like this. Red one, you can say it's a neutron, and the blue one you can say it's a proton. Okay, and this black one is electron. Okay, so this is the updated version of this quantum mechanical model. एंड अभी तक हमें जो पता है एटॉमिक मॉडल के बारे में, मुझे जो जितना पता है मैं आपके साथ शेयर किया कि दैट इज फ्रॉम अबाउट 2500 ईयर्स एगो से स्टार्ट हुआ था विथ डेमोक्रिटस एंड ल्यूक्यूबस से, एंड ख़त्म हुआ यहाँ पे, अभी तक ख़त्म नहीं हुआ. दिस रिसर्च इज स्टिल गोइंग ऑन, बट till now this model is the perfect model, that is a quantum mechanical model by Erwin Schrödinger. Okay, so यही था आज का लेक्चर, द हिस्ट्री अबाउट दिस एटॉमिक थ्योरी. एंड डोंट वरी, मैं आपको हर एक एटॉमिक मॉडल की डिटेल्स बताऊंगा कि ये कैसे आया, कौन किया, क्यों किया, हाउ दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट, दिस गोल्ड फॉइल एक्सपेरिमेंट, यू नो, दिस प्लम पुडिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट, all of this alpha experiment, and I will discuss all of this with you, but in my next lecture, not now. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and do please subscribe my channel if you want to know more about chemistry. Okay, thanks for your support.